What's the meaning of attempted? Attempted. Attempted.
Attempted. Attempted. Attempted means to make an effort or try to achieve something, but not necessarily succeeding in doing so. The word suggests that there was an intention to accomplish a task or goal, but that the effort made fell short of complete success. For example, if a person attempted to climb a mountain but did not reach the top, they made an effort but were not successful in reaching their goal. In summary, attempted describes an effort made toward achieving a specific objective, but indicates that the desired outcome was not fully realized.